Hi everyone, my name is Babalola Samuel. I'm an instructor at 3D Stuff NG. I'll be showing you how to design a cube using 1 to 3D design software. So once you open your software, you'll be welcomed with a page showing you start a new project. Click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll be welcomed to the workspace of the software. So we need to start how to design our cube. So what we need to do first, we need to go to our primitive tools, and below the primitive tools we have sub tools in it. So what we need to make use of is a cube, or we call it a box tool. So after clicking on the box tool, before clicking on the grid, some dimensions are displayed below the software. We have 20 dimension for the length, 20 dimension for the width, and same for the height. So we want to give it a dimension at our own pleasure. Maybe you want to give it 50 ml, and first we need to know the unit of our designs, of our dimensions. For 1 to 3D design software, I make use of millimeters for my dimensions while designing. So these values you're seeing here are all in millimeters. So if you are measuring a centimeter, then you have to compute your value to millimeter. So first I need to give my cube a dimension of, let's say, 50 millimeter length, and I make use of my tab on my keyboard, give it, let's say, 30 millimeter width, and let's say the height, I want to give it 70 millimeter height. Can you see how it looks like? Let me zoom. Yeah, can you see how it looks like? Then if I want to give it a perfect square cube, what I'm going to do, I'll go back and click the length dimension. Let me give it 20. Okay, let me give it 25 ml, and the width, using your tab button on your keyboard, 25, and the height 25 mm. Then you click on your enter button. Once you click on your enter button, the box will be sticked to your grid, I mean your workspace. So what I need to do now, I need to rotate it 360. Sorry, I need to rotate it 360. So I'm going to make use of my two core pan to bring the cube closer, and so that I could rotate it 360, and click on the escape key to rotate it. Then can you see, bring it, making use of my pan to bring it out. Yes, so now this is our cube. This is one way we could design our cube. Then I'll show you another way we could design our cube using our sketch. So what we need to do, we go to our sketch tool. Below the sketch tool we have some other sub tools called sketch rectangle, sketch circle, sketch arc, sketch polygon. So we make use of sketch rectangle. Once you click on sketch rectangle, you click on the surface of your workspace, and you give it a dimension. Now we are sketching using 2D sketch, not 3D. So our measurement is going to be in two, or I mean our dimension is going to be in two. Both is going to be length and the width. We're not going to be having the height. So at the moment, initially from the first cube we designed, we gave it 25 mm for the length, 25 mm for the width, and 25 mm for the height. So from here we're going to give our length and width 25 mm. So let's start 25. We still make use of our tab button to go to the next dimension. Then we click on 25. Then we click on our enter button. Yes, we have it here. So we can't see a 3D view of the sketch. So how do we convert this to a 3D model? We convert this to a 3D model using a tool called Extrude. Extrude is located at our construction. Yeah, it's located at our construct tool. Under the construct tool, we have some tool. Extrude is included, and we click on Extrude, and we click on the surface of the 2D sketch we created, and you see a pop-up. Yeah, can you see this arrow? It means we could bring it up and we could bring it down. Can you see it? So now, initially from our first cube, it was 25 all through, both the length, the width, and the height. And from our sketch, we just give it a 2 dimension. That's for the length and the width. So how do we get to our height dimension? Is by making use of our extrude tools. So now I'm going to type in 25 25, and I click on enter button. Now can you see the same size, the same length, the same width, the same height? Now our cube is ready, and we're done with our design using the sketch and also using a prepared solid 3D model. So thank you for going through our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.